When you mateys, got a Fillet Mignon, the 8 ounce. You can get a 6 ounce. This is 35 for the 8 ounce. 31 for the 6 ounce. Well, I'm going to go and chop this up here. See if I can do this with one claw. Everything's so hard when you're doing everything by yourself. I'm going to put this down for now, okay? Okay, now we can do this properly. Well, it is what a piece of this meat here looks like. I've got some steak sauce on here already. Mmm. It's good. It's a little bit crusty on the sides here, but overall it's pretty evenly done. No, don't say anything. Yeah, it looks pretty even here. It's good steak. It's not the best steak I've ever had, but it's good. I got the medium rare. It's nice and tender. I'd say it's a good price for. Comes with 2 sides as well. I got fries and the pilaf here. Rice pilaf. Pilaf is nice and soft. French fries are, I guess, average. They're not bad. Not bad for what you get here. I personally like Outback. Get their filet mignon. It's very fancy. Tastes really good. But anyway, it's a good meal. So perhaps you might be going out there for the holidays. The manager is very nice here. And it's, in case you have noticed, pretty much every Black Angus you go to should have a nice dark ambiance here. It might be good for a date night. Alright, like, subscribe, stay foxy.